Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, August 5th, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. Tonight I'm going to talk to you about silver and if it can really build wealth fast for you. And I'm going to open up a package I got in the mail and talk about a couple other things with you. But before I get started, I just want to make sure that everything's streaming properly. So as always, if you're tuning in, let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching the replay, use hashtag replay. And if you are over on my YouTube channel watching this, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. All that helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So I don't know if this is... I guess I'm not live on Facebook. Let me see if I can get over here on Facebook. All right, let me see. Well, all right, that looks like maybe I'm live now. I don't know. StreamYard is a pain in the rear end sometimes. I paid for the best. All right, there we go. Now I see it. All right, well, sorry about that delay. So everything is streaming as far as I can tell, even though it doesn't. All right, there we go. All right, perfect. So welcome to my channel. I apologize for that delay. Sometimes this stuff happens. Technology, you know how it is. But if this is your first time seeing one of my videos, again, I'm Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 19 years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So with that being said, the title of this video is Can Silver Really Build Wealth This Fast? So I'm just going to share my screen really quick. And basically, I just did a search on Google. I just put, is silver a good investment in 2025 and moving forward? All right. And it says, based on various analysis and reports from early to mid 2025, the outlook for silver appears promising for both the remainder of 2025 and the long term. Here's a breakdown of the key factors. So strong industrial demand. Silver's unique properties, including its exceptional conductivity and reflectivity, make it indispensable in numerous high-growth industries: solar panels, electronics, electric vehicles. Supply challenges. Silver supply has not kept pace with demand for several years, resulting in persistent market deficits and putting upward pressure on prices. Investment demand. Silver continues to attract investor interest, particularly during times of inflation and economic uncertainty, or as it's viewed as a safe haven asset. So the analysis predictions. Many analysts are bullish on silver's prospects, with some predicting it could reach or surpass $40 per ounce in 2025 and potentially reaching $80 to $120 per ounce by 2030. However, it's important to remember that forecasts can vary widely. And then there's a few risks right here, right? So recession and economic downturns. A global recession could temporarily dampen industrial demand for silver. A stronger U.S. dollar. A strong dollar can make silver more expensive for international buyers, potentially reducing demand. And volatility. Silver is known for its price volatility, which can be higher than gold due to its smaller market and industrial linkages. But in conclusion, the combination of growing industrial demand, limited supply, and continued investment interest creates a favorable environment for silver in 2025 and beyond. However, potential risks and the inherent volatility of the market warrant careful consideration when evaluating silver as an investment. And I'm not a financial advisor by any means. I'm just reading you what a quick Google search showed me, and what I do, right? So I do invest in silver. I think that it's something Robert Kiyosaki talks about. A lot of the big time investors talk about gold and silver is just at a price point where most people can afford an ounce of silver. Okay. And that is why I joined Quicksilver Wealth Accelerator. All right. And this is a package that came in the mail, and I have some more in the mail. but this one showed up first. So I thought I would just open this and show you what is in it. And I'll go over what Quicksilver is. All right. But basically, this is a program where you can get silver shipped to you, and gold now, by the way, get silver shipped to you on autopilot. All right. So this is a coin here. Comes just like that, little seal on it. And this is, let's see what this is all about. All right. So this is a $5 piece, Canadian $5 piece. All right. 1 ounce of 4.9 fine silver. Now it's hard to see on this camera. The lighting in here is horrible. All right. That's the Canadian maple leaf right there. And you have Queen Elizabeth right here. Beautiful coin. All right. I love this coin. Very nice looking. And what I do is I just get one of these little coin holders here, and I put it in, and then I just throw this into my safe. All right. That's all that I do. All right. But I know each month, and you can set this up however you want to, you can have silver, and now you can have gold sent directly to your door on autopilot. And when you share this opportunity with other people, you can earn commissions through referrals purchases, and all of that. All right. So right now, I think I'm a level 10. All right, which is pretty high up there. I brought in quite a few people to this opportunity. And I'll share my screen and just go over this with you really quick. But it's a great investment. It's something where, like for me personally, I'm not worried if I bring people into this opportunity, because I know that no matter what, I'm getting silver sent to me every month, and gold. I have some gold sent to me too, every single month on autopilot. And I'm building my wealth that way, right? I'm accumulating silver and gold, tangible assets that are just going to continue to go up in price, right, in value. So this is Quicksilver, right? I'm not going to play the video here, but we have pure silver and gold bullion from around the world, a diversity of assets to protect and preserve your wealth, automatically receive assets via our auto wealth delivery, ability to adjust quantity and items received monthly at any time, acquire assets essentially free via profit as a wealth ambassador. So you can come in here and just order gold and silver if you want to. And I'll tell you what, I buy gold and silver from other places online as well. And the spot prices for this, it's pretty right on. It's a little bit more money than if you were to go to, somebody that didn't have the affiliate side to it. But I don't mind paying the extra. I mean, when I say extra, it's like literally $1 or $2. It's a couple dollars over spot price. All right. It's very comparable to all the other gold and silver dealers online. And on top of that, they do something really cool here. Down here, they have the Project S4. Okay. And it says here at Quicksilver, it is our mission to not only help people accelerate their wealth, but to also pay it forward by providing meals to starving children and families around the world. Therefore, we have chosen to support FMSC, a nonprofit organization who delivers these life-sustaining meals. Now you can see they've done almost 150,000 meals that have been donated from this company. So, you're expected to pay a little bit more when you have an affiliate side where they're paying out affiliates commissions, and then they're also donating some of the profits to help feed starving children. So I have no issues paying a little bit more money than I would at other places online. Okay. And we have a really good compensation plan here. I have other videos about this, but there's several different ways to earn. And I'll show you, we have a marketing system here, which is important because you want a marketing system that does all the selling and telling for you. All right. So this is our marketing system right here. It says enjoy a free 7-day trial of our powerful marketing system, right? It's ready to go. We have resources. We have a contact management system that you're going to get. You get detailed statistics. We have capture pages. We have a survey that's included. We have autoresponders, all right, with emails that go out on your behalf. And you can also send broadcast emails when you start building a list on here. All right, so you get a free 7-day trial, and then it's $777 a month, and then it says it's going to increase to $977 on August 10th. All right, so we have a marketing system, everything that you really need. So you go visit Silver Stacking Empire. All right, then watch the videos, and then you just click Get Started. And you can be a customer only if you want to, or you can become a wealth ambassador and share this with other people and earn profits. All right, if you share it with other people. And I can't guarantee you'll make anything because it's all dependent on your work ethic, but it's pretty easy to do. Again, you're not trying to sell anything. This is a no-brainer for people who want to build wealth. Let me share my screen here. Simply because they're getting a tangible asset on autopilot every single month, right? So I'll show you the enrollment form here. This is the enrollment form. You'll see my name, Russ Fly. I'll be your sponsor. My enroller ID number is 299477. You just fill out this information. Excuse me. Then you can save right now. Currently, the one-time $20 activation fee is free now. So you're paying $9.97 a month for the wealth platform. That includes your business management area, your personalized Quicksilver website, an e-commerce enabled shop, customer and member support, and much more. All right, so you're paying $9.97 a month for your wealth platform. And then you choose one of these options below. So you can get started you can get a 10th ounce of silver for $8.97 a month. All right, or you can get 1 grain of silver and 5 quarter grains of gold trading metal cards, all the way up to 10 1-ounce silver coins. All right, and then option 2 is the challenge pack. And this gives you bigger commissions, and you can order packages all the way up to $848. All right. So most people start out with the 1-ounce silver coin right here, the $44.97. All right, and you'll get a 1-ounce silver coin like this. Whatever they're sending out for the month. And yeah, it's just a great way to accumulate wealth and always have a tangible asset that is just going to continue going up in price, come in every single month on autopilot. So it's a great opportunity. If you have any questions about this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. Again, you can go to silverstackingempire.com and check this all out. And it's a great opportunity. So with that being said, I got a tickle in my throat that, excuse me, not going away. So I'm going to end this video, but I appreciate each and every one of you who watches this, whether live with me, I see a few people on here, or the replay. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. All right. And I am going to have a book review coming soon. So have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.